Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you guys how to model and add bones and white paint and probably a little bit animation to animate too. And let's start. I'm using Blender 2.83. Maybe say it a little properly. Tomorrow my friend gonna be making fun of me. But they make sense because I'm in English 10 years old. Maybe low. Or 8 years old. Top. I guess this time I need. Anywho, that this way and that one, and there it goes. Alright. Let's turn on the key, screen guards key, and then go back. Wherever I type or click or anything shows up here. And then that's it. Right. I don't know. Do I make this one? Oh, maybe delete that one. Shift A and add a cylinder. Okay, where is it? Go way down to there. And then a little bit smaller. And go no, that much fine. And there. Okay. Top 7 is top. No, not that way. And up and SY. Yes. There we go. Make it look a little bit like the body, top of the body. And Shift D. From there and let's just make hand. Well, a little bit. Shift T and there one. And oh yeah, and one surfer and oh no, my bad. I can add one more underneath this lower until that much, and that much. And rotate and then up like head and go top. There you go. Straight ahead. Okay. Now confound. And come down. Okay. Maybe, I don't know. This way. Oh. No, this is not gonna work. And alright, that's it. Sort of. Come to object mode, and then this looks more thicker than the other one, so that's not right. Anywho, there we go. And not the head, go up a little bit and select all of these, and this the mom, so mother, this one is, all parented to this one, it's a parent. J, make, and all these, no? What happened? Control Z, all of these one piece, and come to other mode, and and no. Okay, really don't want to make this too detailed, just for there, it's not real, not for the real character, so chapter or character, or one more. Later need bend the arm, so I had to need those cancel. What I wanted, it's not coming. Seriously, come on, what I'm doing? Control R. Nope. And just select both of them, make it a little thinner. Turn it. I don't want to add more just anything. Anyhow, that's it. Shape of body. Looks like it. And one more. And one more. A little bit more up. Usually I click it. Yeah, this does. Just scare me there. Alright. Oh yeah. Probably I need to go back there. That's it. And just go a little bit this way, make more look cute. Good. Push a little bit. And this one too. Okay. Flat. Should be flat back. What I'm doing really. No, don't have to. Anyhow, that's it. And I don't know, this cartoon star or what. Okay, that's it. Anywho, body and hair and oh wow. Okay, now I'm done, and then perfect. And then go back to edit mode again. And then, no, I don't want to go there. Maybe I just really do it this way. Go up a little bit, and what I'm doing, oh yeah, I'm gonna add shoes or feet. Slender again. Yeah, let's see. Dun, 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 like that, and go top. And no, that way. This one, wrong one. Still Shift D one here. No, still always want to put this, that much, and no, yes, and yeah, shouldn't done that one. Probably make one so later copy from here. That much easier for me. Then see through it. Okay, this one. Face. Oh no. Some. There. Oh. Weird. And now to the face. Okay. It's fine. Select these all. And then we shouldn't have that one. Bring up, make them flat. Okay, go back, and then okay. Now, see, come down. Oh no, still make a little more shape. I'm sure it's fine. Anyhow, okay. Make all up again one piece, not this one. Select all of them and Control J. That's it. Okay, so I guess that's done. and Shift A, add armature mean bone, and hide this one, not now. And click on bone. And come here. No. Oh, it's still losing. No. That's my bad. No. Is it? No. Oh. Oh yeah. So X-ray can see through inside, even though see, and no, and hide. Only there. Yes, it's there. And go to edit mode and Shift. Oh, goodness. It's okay with that, right? I'm gonna rotate this one, leave it here, and tip this on top. Tip. Yeah, there, and go to the knee. And goes way there, and E extrude 1 and 2 and 3 for the neck, and 4, no, extrude 1 more for the head. Then Shift D from the neck, copy 1 and put it right there for the shoulder, and extrude, come to there, 1 more there, and make it fit. Okay, and then, oh yeah, still. Shoot 1 here for that, and the foot tip. This one on the foot, and cut out a little bit. One. Okay. And select these all. Control N. Make the bone. No, Control P. No. Connect. No. Which one was it? Shift N. Oh yeah. So this all the bone coming face right, like right away in face to this way. And make a shape. I don't know. Shift D and copy this one, leave it there, and cursor, this cursor to 3D, that one, and mirror, mirror, exit mirror, there you go, and that's it. So I don't have to and make the other half all of some same, and this bone not parent this one here, so click this one and parent it to this one and make it official. Ow, too high, what's going on? Another one, or maybe this one. Where? Let's see him. Make it official. There you go. And another one. that's it. That's done and done. And come to object mode. Set. Anywho, click on the mesh body and bone, then Control P and automatic control, automatic weight. Then go to click on bone and pose mode, bone pose, and you can animate. That's what's going on. What happened? What did I do? Oh yeah, my bad. This, before we put it, because the copy have the bone, so I have to put it back here. Oh, you gotta miss it like me. Miss out. And that's it. Ouch. Need to put more vertices so that can bend it, good. And click on A and Control RG so then can come back whatever they were. Go to edit mode and select all and this sub. Seriously, I can't say that one. I tried 100 times, I guess, no, even more. I don't think you need that one that much. This one need a lot. Not that one. Hey, what's going on? No. Anyhow, let's just, okay, Control R, Control R. Control R. Whoa, you are not walking. And neither there, 1 or 2. Few here. Control R, few here. Leave it. Control R. 1 or 2. Whatever. Leave it then. That's weird. Okay, what did I do? This is not connected. Control R. Okay, that's dead. And click on key, come this K, so come this one, and you can do this. Wow. Whoa. Seriously, what's something wrong with that? Control R. Why not? Did I make some mistakes there? Yeah, doesn't matter any. That's it. Shape of body on. No way I'm animate this one. Oh yeah, head. Still it's there. So Control on head mesh and then bone. Go to pose mode bone. No, only select the head and Control P. Make it bone, I guess. Yeah. That's it. Wow. It's too far from there. Oh yeah. That's weird. Okay, that's not bad. And this one's really going in somewhere else. I think this bone's too big. Okay, Control origin. Go back to the edit mode. This one. And I need band rate. Right away, not just there. more than enough. And okay, and J, make it inside more. A little big. And there. And this one too. J and the bigger. One more. Object mode. Alright. And this one still. RG. Why even do this? It's not really. I have so many of these because I test all the time making. So I have so many models that may look like this or other. Huh? What happened? It shows up weird. Let's see through or something. Okay, what did I do? New edit mode and oh yeah. Control R, add field here. Yeah, that's it. And to up so that later the knee can bend. Wow. Control R. And that's all. One more there. And one more there. This video gonna be too long. So I think I'm gonna stop right there. Anywho, okay, now we animate this one. Walking, or what? I don't know. Just maybe it works much easier. So make animate this one walk. Come here and there's. There. And you like that's fine. And bone pose mode and go down a bit and a little bit. It's too long. Okay. I didn't make that pose mode bone. It's okay. I think this foot. Which ones I gotta make it first? This one. So that one goes there. Like this. Anywho. Let's like that. It's more look like running. I wanna make it walk, not running. Okay, and 5. There we go. and right. T. Okay. 1, 6. No. 6. No. 5, 2. No. 5, 1. Yes, but I want to. No. No. Oh, that hurts. Can you forget it? Seriously. Okay. And Z and that. Oh no. Sorry. Seriously. What did I do? Back. And back. That's it. Come down here. And I. Rotation, location, rotation there. And okay, down that key came, right? So this is record, so I don't have to click all the time. Anyway, that's always a mistake. And then go there, come straight ahead, a little bit that way, a little bit that way, that way, and up. Let's stop saying that. Here, and let's make it straight a little bit. And already recorded. Come to 10 and go this one up again. And go this way. Bit there. This one go down. This one go up. And come back a little bit. Looking more like, anyhow. And down. Okay. Now come here. And this comes straight. The left one, the left one goes up like that. Yes. The right one comes down the ground. And it's there and there. Wow. Up. Okay. No. Alright, that's it. Easy peasy. Wow. I remember when I was learning this one. It's like forever. Seriously, I love it though. I love watching animation and making it one. It's like a dream to me. Extremely. Okay, that's it. a screenshot for the later. Yeah, I don't need it. And save as. Oh, really, most important. You always save. Doesn't matter what. Just even 1 minute after save or some. Learn save. The first thing. Sometimes I lost so many times like that. Sometimes forgot to save like hours work, man. God, like, just never mind. Sorry, and that's it. And just see you all on next time, and have a great day.